You've probably heard the old adage, you can never have too many clamps. But what do you do if you're in a pinch and you run out of clamps? Well, Dan Hendricks from Omaha, Nebraska came up with this handy solution. It's just a shop-made panel clamp. And it all starts with a large dowel and a T-nut on the end. You can see there's a hole drilled all the way through so I can thread it onto a length of threaded rod. And then he added some small pieces of plywood as clamp pads. So you can see, you can find all the parts for these in your shop. You can come up with some quick and easy shop-made panel clamps in a pinch.
Woodsmithplans.com. Hundreds of professional, high-quality woodworking plans right at your fingertips. Every single plan is presented as an easy-to-download digital package that includes pages of step-by-step instructions, full-color photos, illustrations, and exploded views, retail sources for hardware and supplies, plus a cutting diagram and materials list. Many plans offer handy video overviews and guides. Plus, we're proud to offer our plans in both standard and metric. Everything is here, from gorgeous heirloom furniture projects to handy shop projects and upgrades, clever, cost-effective storage solutions, as well as weekend projects and accessories that are great for gifts, all fully searchable and categorized for easy browsing. Woodsmithplans.com, everything you need for building fine woodworking projects.